having personally faced the persistent EA Javelin Anti-Cheat crash loop, and after spending significant time finding a reliable solution, I've gathered several effective ways to get your game running smoothly again. This video will guide you through understanding the core issues and how to fix EA Javelin Anti-Cheat ingestion crash loop. When your game files are corrupted or incomplete, the anti-cheat system can't properly verify the game state. This often triggers a crash because the anti-cheat is designed to stop any game it deems untrustworthy. By checking the game's file integrity, you give the anti-cheat a clean, verified set of files, preventing it from flagging legitimate game data as suspicious and stopping the ingestion crash. Outdated graphics or system drivers can create conflicts with modern anti-cheat software. These drivers act as translators between your hardware and the game. If they're not up to date, the anti-cheat might receive incorrect information about your system, leading it to believe something is wrong. Updating everything ensures all components speak the same language, providing a stable environment for the anti-cheat to run without errors. Many background applications like overlays, VPNs, or even some antivirus programs can interfere with how anti-cheat software operates. These programs might try to access or modify game processes, which the anti-cheat interprets as a threat. By temporarily disabling these conflicting services, you isolate the game and the anti-cheat, allowing them to communicate directly without any unwanted interruptions or false positives that would trigger a crash loop. Sometimes the anti-cheat itself gets corrupted during an update or installation. It might have damaged files or incorrect settings that prevent it from starting properly. A full reinstallation removes any faulty components and replaces them with a fresh, clean version. This process often comes with the game itself, ensuring the anti-cheat is perfectly aligned with the game's current version, which is crucial for preventing those frustrating ingestion crash loops.